I'm Christy Hartman. Welcome back to my channel. We're going to stamp with gnomes today, do some layering of some altered scrapbooking papers. Let's get started. Let's layer up this card. Alright, let's take this piece right over the top of all of this, but we're going to bring that in just a bit. I don't want it just on the edge, because I want to be able to put my little gnome over here. And then we're going to put this piece right over the top. Some of these scraps, you will actually see me complete these papers in an upcoming video. This was from some scrapbooking papers that I'm altering, and I think it's in an upcoming video. Let's get some cookies, and I'm using this again as my template. I used this, I believe it was November or December when I did the gnomes. And I've traced around my little cookie shape. Like so, and then put our gnome right there. Let's put this black embossing powder on it. It's the Tim Holtz Black Speckle. Oh my gosh, won't that be cute? Let's put these kind of like that. All right, that's cute. All right, Valentine number 1, easy peasy. Okay, let's move on to another one. And let's put, I have this black feature stripe we're going to put right down the middle of this. I think we'll put this little gnome jumping in the center right here, but I want to put some stars around him. And I punched some little stars out. So I think I'll stamp him first, and then I'm going to emboss him. He's going to be adorable. All right. That looks cute. Now I'm thinking of one more thing. Silver. Let's see. You see that? It's very subtle. This is my Deco Gel pen. I think the silver works. Can you see that? I think that's kind of fun. That just adds a little more bling to it. I like that. This one. Let's add the word destination to here. All right, let's put a little rhinestone or a little crystal on each one of these. So let's use, this is the metallic, and this is I believe it's a turquoise blue. And this is, again, the Deco Gel. That really brought those out. These are the Deco Gel Star Sparks. And this one is Rose. Yeah, that looks great. All right, this is one of my pieces that I altered from Halloween. You can see up here where the Halloween paper was. I think we can make this work. Let's try it. Let's get this inked up first. Let's use this turquoise blue pen again. I'm going to use the Distress Oxide Black Soot. Thanks for joining me. I think these turned out great. I think these would make darling Valentine cards. But you know what? They could be used year-round. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in my next video.